Shubhodaya, Namo Namaha. The swasth means, generally we say it's a health. Swasth means, swa means yourself, sta means place. You are you in your own place? Aswasth means, I am not in my place. Aswasth means, moving away from my territory is called as aswasth. Swasth means you are coming back to your own territory. You are happy, in joy when you are in your own home. When you go out of your home, you are never at ease. You had to, in order to be at ease, you had to come back to your own territory, where you belong. Body is a gross manifestation of mind. Mind is a subtle representation of the body. That is why we are called as psychosomatic being. Whatever in the body, physical body, mind, psychosomatic, they are linked together. Whatever we think, a sick mind, dull mind, sooner or later manifest in the physical level as sickness, disease, inability. So body and mind, good link is there. The scriptures talk about come back to your own home to experience the happiness. It's a story of Angulimala, a notorious dacoit. He had a vow of having a garland made up of thumbs. He had killed 999 people in the forest, and a very ruthless person had a garland. He was waiting for the 1000th one, the last thumb. Buddha decided to go that side, and his disciple said, that person is in that forest, whoever ventures there, nobody comes back. Very notorious, ruthless, please don't go. Buddha did not heed to their advice. He moved to that forest where Angulimala was there. Angulimala saw the one person in orange cloth is coming, and he was approaching. As he was approaching, he realized, must be Buddha. Must be Buddha. He yelled at him, not to move. Stop there. Stop there, you don't know who I am. How dare you? Angulimala, other people have said, nobody could reform you except Buddha. Then, and when he came, Kushi, you have to sit straight, not to move. Or sit on the table. Sit on the, he said not to move, that you stop there. Buddha said, I am not moving. I am not moving, rather you are moving. You are moving, I am swasth. I am where I am, I have not moved from my peace. Whereas you are aswasth, you have moved away. And hearing that one, the Angulimala was shaken. Nobody spoke to me like this. What does it mean when Buddha said, you have moved out of the reality? Because of that one, you have ventured into this one. Hearing that one, Angulimala fell at his feet and threw his sword and begged him to accept him as a disciple. As a disciple, Buddha initiated him. A reformed Buddha returned back to his monastery along with reformed Angulimala. All the monks, other monks, Buddha's monks said, how come you brought this person? It's a notorious king. You made him a monk again, a monk. How it is possible? Such a heinous past. Buddha said he did all the crime when he was asleep. Now he is awake. Now he is awake. The crime committed in the sleep no more bothers once one is awoke. And now he is awake now. Then, as a customary, monks used to go to places for begging. He went to Angulimala once went to the village for begging. All villagers recognized him, started pelting stone at him. This person is a robber. He has come here. Everyone threw stones at him. And when Angulimala returned, Buddha said, "How did you feel?" He said, "I was not disturbed. I was swasth. I was within myself. I did not move. Everyone was moving. I did not move. It did not bother." Then when Angulimala died, Buddha said, "This soul has got moksha, has got liberated. He has become a Brahmajnani. He has become a Brahmana. Brahmana means the one who has realized the highest. This soul has become a Brahmana, Brahmajnani. This soul won't come back." So the swasth, when we are not in our own territory, we have gone out. When we go out, what happens? Patanjali says you have to be your tata pratyak chetan adhigamo antaraya abhavascha. When you are in your own home, all problems melt away. Antaraya abhavascha. And when you go out, when you become aswasth, it's an invitation for all diseases. Patanjali talks about vyadi, sthana, samshaya, bhranti, pramada, alasya, bhranti darshana, alabdha bhumikatva, anavastitani chitta vikshayapaste antarayaha. Antaraya means obstacles. Once I go out of my outside, all obstacles, he talks about 9 obstacles come to us. Vyadi, sickness. Come a drop of a hat, I am not healthy. I am not healthy. Vyadi comes. Vyadi, sthana means dullness. No mind is not enlivened, doubting. Vyadi, sthana, samshaya, not believing. Teacher says not believing in anything. Doubting Thomas. Bhagavan Sri Krishna says, one who doubts always cannot make a progress. Vyadi, sthana, samshaya, then pramada. Yesterday also I talked about careless living, sthana, samshaya, pramada, alasya, laziness. Weekend getting up at 10 o'clock. Not interested. Pramada, alasya, bhranti darshana, hallucination. Imaginary world, thinking that there is no room for me to improve, I am perfect. Bhranti darshana, alabdha bhumikatva, tried and it is not for yoga, is not for me. It is not for me, I am not flexible. Yoga is not for me. It is giving up before the battle itself. Alabdha I tried yoga for 1 month, it did not help me. It's putting a timeline for our sadhana. Alabdha bhumikatva, anavistitani, come beginning of the term, pumped up, motivated to enroll the yoga, and after few days, drop off. No consistency. Without consistency, how can you come back to your home? Anavastitani, chitta vikshepaste antarayaha. chitta vikshepa, mind is imbalanced. No stability, I have gone out. What yoga says, wherever you go out, like when you take a dog for a walk, it is on a leash. You have to have a leash, connect yourself to the point, you should know where to come back. You can go out wherever you want to go out, but you should know your address back. Not to venture out without your home address. Where to come back. You can go to any party, anywhere, but not to forget your address. Otherwise, like Aswasth, lost dog. When you are lost dog, all obstacles come in your way. The yogi means, yes, we are in the society, we have to go to many places, we have to go, but carry your address. Carry your address, swasth. Come back to swa means yourself. Sthana means sthana. Sthan, you should know where you belong. When you know that one, you never are lost. Like Angulimala, what Buddha said, he was aswasth, he had gone out, I brought him back. Now he won't get lost. Yoga makes you swasth and discover the joy, peace, contentment. Yoga empowers you to discover yourself. Come back home.